at 6:52 a.m. The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Claiborne County, southwestern Hawkins County, southwestern Hancock County, northern Jefferson County, northern Cobb County, southwestern Greene County, Granger County, Union County, Hamilton County, until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Locke to near Harrogate to near Bean Station to 9 miles northwest of Greenville, moving south at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Morristown, Jefferson City, Newport, Dandridge, Maynardville, Rutledge. Severe thunderstorm watch number 571 remains in effect until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday, and now includes the following counties in Tennessee: Anderson, Blount, Campbell, Knox, Loudoun, Morgan, Roane, Scott, and Union. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Hold on, come here and talk.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 5.